Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm mrbobvin or Malika, and welcome to yet another yarn haul video. So I have yarn that I've had for months and I've never shown you guys, so I just pulled them out from my shelf so I can show you guys everything I have. And then I pulled something else out because I figured out that I had something else to show. I only thought I had like 2 yarns to show. I have to sneeze. No, I don't. But I found more. So, and I'm all dolled up because I just finished taking pictures with this tank top that I just made, and that video should have been out. So yeah, that's why it's the same day. I just decided to stack these videos in the same day, but I didn't feel like taking the makeup off, so here I am looking not normal. But anyway, let me show you guys the yarn that I have and that I haven't shown you guys. And anyway, let's get into it. So to start off, I have this alpaca silk. It's 70% alpaca, 30% mulberry silk, and I was gifted this by Hobbii. Actually, I didn't even buy this, and when I was picking the yarn out, I did not know it was this tiny. Like, look at it. It's super, oh, can I do it like this? Yes. It's super tiny, and I literally thought it was like thick because I don't read, which is very fundamental, so I should read, but I just saw it and I was like, ooh, I like that. So I picked it, and I picked these 2 colors. I have no idea what I planned on doing with this, but I thought about it, and I'm going to make, oh, I got this color. It's in, it's in color 3. And this is in color 4. But I got these 2 colors because I thought it went like super well, and I was going to combine it to make something, like double stranded these 2 colors together and make something. But then I thought about it and I was like, no, I'm going to knit a sweater with this. I'm going to double strand because I got 20 of these, and it has 181 yards, approximately 166 meters, so that's a lot. So I bought 20 of these, and instead of combining them to make blah blah blah, I'm going to just have like these 2 colors. I'm gonna double strand these 2 colors and then knit a sweater like half this color, and then the rest of it will be this color. So it'll be like in half, and it'll be like it'll be a half and half type of sweater, and like the sleeves will like match up with it as best as it can, because I don't know if I'll just do like follow a pattern or like make my own. I don't know, so it just depends. I'll probably follow someone else's pattern to make this so I can do it top down instead of flat. Yeah, so that's my plan for this random yarn that I got from Hobbii. And yeah, it's alpaca silk. It's so soft, so I know when I do make this sweater, it's gonna be the softest thing ever. But that's one. Let me show you guys the next one. Can I help you? Anyway, so next up I have this Knitting for Olive double soft merino. This was actually gonna get discontinued. I don't know if it did I don't know if it did get discontinued, but my sisters and I bought it just in case, because I think on their site it said it was getting discontinued, so we wanted to try it. And it's Knitting for Olive. Did I say that? I think I said that. But I got this. No, I did not get this. I actually got this weird tan color that actually looked like this, but when I kept staring at it after it came in, I was like, I don't want this color. So Kalila swapped with me, and now I have this beautiful pink color. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this. I don't have any plans for this, so I know I want to knit it for sure. I do not want to crochet with this beautiful yarn. I just feel like it'll look better if it is knitted. I don't know what's wrong with me today. It's so soft, and let me give you guys a close-up look of it because it's so beautiful. So it looks like this. It's like kind of fluffy. It feels like drops air a little bit, but oh my god, this will be, oh my gosh, I thought this would be the comfiest sweater. I think this will definitely be the comfiest sweater. Comfiest, is that even a word? Am I tripping? I don't know. Anyway, it's 100% merino. I don't know what took me so long. And it is 110 meters and 50 grams. And knitting for Olive. I said that like 3 times now. I have no idea what I'm going to make with this beautiful soft yarn, but it will definitely be a sweater. And if I could make a cardigan and like a tank top to go with it, I could do that. I've never knitted a cardigan before, so that would be fun. I don't know, it could either be a sweater or like a cardigan onyx, really, or it could be like a cardigan top, a cardigan and then like a tank top, kind of like this one right here. So I don't know, I'll just see what happens. I have to brainstorm more on this and really think about it more before I make up my mind. Or I could do a dress. Do I want to do a dress? That's thunder, by the way. I don't know, too many ideas. So I'm gonna set this aside and figure out what I want to do later, and then of course in one of my videos I'll update you guys on what I ended up going with. So that's the second yarn that I have that I haven't shown you guys. I literally got this last year, so I don't know why I didn't show you, or maybe I did show you guys, I don't know. Anyway, so that's that one. Next one I have is this yarn that I got last year as well. I got all this last year. I never showed you guys. Or did I show you guys? No, I didn't. Anyway, I got this last year. It is Drops to Muscat Mercerized Cotton. Mercerized Cotton. That's how it is. I don't even know if I'm saying it right, but that's how it is, and this is how it looks. It's super small. It's 100% cotton, 100 meters, 109 yards, and it's DK, I'm pretty sure, because yeah, I was in the DK section when I was looking for this. I actually already have a project for this yarn. I'm crocheting with this, surprisingly, not surprisingly, maybe surprisingly. Anyway, I'm crocheting with this, and I'm making a zipper sweater, a crochet zipper sweater, and I was actually supposed to finish that a long time ago, but I never did because I got caught up with other projects, and I'm literally not even almost halfway done with the sweater. I have one panel, and it's, I think maybe I finished the ribbing. I'm like 2 rows into the body panel, and then I stopped to do something else. I think it was to knit the basic sweater, and I just never got back to it. I will get back to it eventually. I haven't given up on the sweater, but I just have so many other things that I want to do before that one, and I remember I was so excited for that, and I'm still excited for that because that'll be the first time I'm gonna go right into it. Anyway, I already have a project for this. I just never showed you guys because I wanted to come out with a crochet with me video of like the entire thing so you guys can see like the yarn and then the sweater and blah blah blah. But since I'm not gonna be getting to it anytime soon per se, because summer's coming up, I need to start getting out summer content, not sweater content. So when I do get back to this, of course I'll have a video, and I'm super excited to make a zipper sweater crochet edition. So that's this yarn, and I have this much of this. Hopefully this is enough. I think I have some more somewhere stored somewhere else, but that's this Drops Muscat. I hope I'm saying that right. Anyway, the last yarn I'm going to show you guys is actually the yarn I'm going to be using for my next video, which is the Hope McCulley cardigan that I'm going to be making. And I don't know specifically which cardigan I'm making. I'm actually not making a specific one, I'm just making one that looks like hers basically. And so I got like similar colors to what she usually goes with, so I got this. Oh, and this is Drop Snow. I shop at Drops basically for my yarn now. It used to be Knitting for Olive, but they didn't have like the variety of colors and just yarn fibers period that I wanted. So Drops has everything I need, everything I could ever. So I got Drop Snow, and this is how it looks. Can you guys see, or is it just on my face? That's how it looks. I got this purple one. Does it have a name? No, it doesn't. But it is 100% wool, and she uses like some type of fiber, but I'm going to double strand these so it kind of looks, it gives it that chunky look, but I don't want like an overly, I need to stop because I'm supposed to be saying this for the next video. Anyway, just ignore that. I'll just show you the colors I got. So I got this purple, I got this yellow that I think my cat chewed up a little bit. Jeez. And so that's that. I got this white, but this white will be like the red type of thing that she incorporates in her cardigan sometimes. I got this pink, this like pale pink kind of color, really pretty. And then I got this beautiful like pale blue color. So I would go into detail about like what I'm gonna do with it, but that's literally for the very next video after this one. So I'm not even gonna get into it because I'll get into it for that video. I'm actually gonna do my intro for that video now after this. So when that video comes out, I'll literally be wearing the same thing because it's the same thing. I'm just knocking everything out today. But that's the yarn I got for the Hobbii Cully cardigan that I need to save this for my next video. Anyway, so that's the yarn I got. So that's everything that I haven't shown you guys. I don't know why I just kept that yarn for so long without showing you guys. I think because I was going to make Crochet With Me as an actual project, so I thought I would have time to show you guys in the Crochet With Me video, but that was not the case. That's all the yarn I have. Literally, I only bought this one this year. The other ones were from last year that I never got a chance to show off to the world. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, oh my god, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.